Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is an excellent choice for boiler service. We have extensive experience providing top-quality boiler service in Los Gatos, California, and the surrounding areas. Our skilled team specializes in boiler maintenance, repairs, and installations, ensuring your system runs efficiently and reliably year-round. Are you looking for a plumber near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What is a boiler service, and why is it important? A boiler service is a professional maintenance check designed to ensure your boiler is operating safely, efficiently, and reliably. At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, our boiler service includes inspecting, cleaning, and testing key components, such as the heat exchanger, burner, and safety controls, to detect any potential issues before they turn into costly repairs. This service is essential because it not only extends the lifespan of your boiler but also helps maintain energy efficiency, reducing utility bills and environmental impact. How often should a boiler be serviced? A boiler should be serviced at least once a year to ensure it is functioning safely, efficiently, and reliably. Annual servicing is particularly important because it helps prevent unexpected breakdowns, identifies potential issues before they escalate, and maintains energy efficiency to keep utility bills in check. At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we recommend scheduling your boiler service in the warmer months to prepare for increased usage during the colder seasons. What is your service area? Our Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment serve the following California locations: Soquel, Aptos, Santa Cruz, Scotts Valley, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Morgan Hill, Saratoga, Campbell, Marina, Gilroy, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, San Jose, Seaside, California. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment office located? We are located at 820 Bay Avenue, Suite 221, Capitola, California 95010, United States. Our phone number is 831-744-7215. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/capitola-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair/